Hello, my name is Brianna Thompson, and today I will be addressing college students and their families the possibilities of tuition-free college. Free college has been up for debate for years and is very controversial, especially in this year's election. From a young age, students are encouraged to go to a four-year college after they graduate high school. Many high-paying jobs require college degrees. However, most college students graduate with a crippling amount of debt. If college is becoming a necessity, why not make it more affordable? 43 million American adults older than the age of 18 carry student loan debt, which makes about 1/6 of the population. Altogether, these adults owe $1.5 trillion in federal student loan debt and an estimated $119 billion in private student loan sources that are not backed by the government. College tuition prices have nearly doubled over the past 30 years. This is because more students are attending colleges today. Most of the students who take out loans are from low-income and middle-income families. In 2019, 69% of college students took out a student loan. Most graduates graduated with an average debt of $29,900 from both private and federal sectors, which was a 2% increase from the 2018 statistics. Monthly student loans typically range from $200 and $299, which doesn't seem like a lot, but add that on top of rent, healthcare, food, car payments, or any other expenses that graduates have to pay once they're out on their own. It adds up quickly. Some solutions to achieve free tuition colleges would be to raise taxes, which is very controversial, as this is a fear many Americans share. But according to a New York Times article, making public institutions tuition-free would cost less than people think, and is perceived by the media. And at the bottom of this slide, I add a quote from Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez with an interview that she did in Vanity Fair, basically explaining that the top 1% who claim that there is no money for tuition-free colleges don't pay a lot in taxes because they find a lot of loopholes. So if they paid more in taxes, then we would be able to afford tuition-free colleges and take off some of the stress that student loan debt has on Americans. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I left my email and my phone number at the bottom of this slide. And then these are the sources that I use to find my information. You can take a look at them if you want to learn more, but if not, thank you for listening to my presentation.